So before we start this video, a quick disclaimer. In this poem I added some visuals, but if you just want to use your imagination, then you can just listen to the audio and do your thing. But for the people who like the visuals, you can watch the video with the audio. Why'd sit most people in a cave when there's nature to be saved? Green leaves, great trees shape this body. Isolation shapes our being. Mother Nature be our savior. Mother Nature be our flavor. Flowers are saints, sun brightly shines, but why are there no humans to find? Where have they gone? Where have they went? When right in front is a place to ascend. Return to nature while you still can. Return to nature. And when we finally do return, treating nature like it was meant. Mother has much for us to learn, and reincarnation is one of them. Mother Nature is our savior. Mother Nature is our creator.